Well, I'm still here in Adamstown, Pennsylvania. I just arrived at Pine Hills. Let's go in and see what they got. I see they still have that amazing Herb Thomas vase. That thing is epic. Herb Thomas was the first art class person I got into. This thing, this case is so overwhelming. Look at this pixie. I've never seen one quite like that. They have such unique quality Christmas here. And Halloween. Look at all the redware cats. Some really unique pieces in here. But you know, my favorite is always Valentine's Day. Here's a piece I've never seen before. Check this out. DeForest Rare. I am assuming so. That's amazing. Of course, all the Japanese stuff was modeled after I feel like DeForest was before Japan. This is, I could be wrong. I could be making that up. But look at the little DeForest onion bowls. Those are so neat. All right, a lot to unpack in this case. The Noel candle holders. $90 for the set and 20% off. Little knee huggers, so cute. I like that Patricia Smith moon purse. That's different. And then down here, some paperweights. I just had one like that. That exact one, actually. That's interesting. The purple is cool, too. It's signed. The purple one's signed 55. I'm actually into the one behind it. Can't really see what it says. 38. It's unusual colors behind the cat. An insane amount of Evening in Paris. I love the box. And you guys know I love a good rose bowl. That one's beautiful. The hand painting on that is pristine. And that, yeah, I thought so. Couldn't be uranium. $50 and 20% off is probably about what I get out of that. And then here, I see the little Remco finger puppet doll. 19 on her. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Those Christmas bulbs are unusual, but it's actually down here. Look at the pedestal faceted paperweight. That thing's insane. That's definitely Murano. And then here, that one's really pretty with the flowers. It's kind of hard to not pay attention to that crazy one, though, back there. I feel like that's a deal for a collector with the 20% off. Oh, wow, look at these Joseph Originals head vases, 49 and 20% off. I don't even know if I've seen those before. Maybe once or twice now that I think about it. They have such great Joseph Originals pieces in pristine condition here. Look at the rabbit, so cute. And then the one with the bee that bobbles, that's a good one. And you know I gotta check out the cat case when I'm here. I've pulled some pretty amazing cats out of here. Maybe not as amazing as Dagny's cat she found when we were here together. She found this awesome Lisa Larson. Some Max Factor, I like the pink one. It's got the liquid in it, which to a collector might be a good thing, but to me, I don't ship anything or mess with anything that has liquid in it. I'm like so sensitive to the scents that it's just not worth it to me. I love these green mugs. Those are so fun. That brooch is kind of different. It almost looks like it's Bakelite. Signed Emmons pin. I'm not sure if that's the same one I'm looking at. All your party wear right here. So many fun dresses. Couple cats. Like the Napco cat planter. Just had one like it recently. The pink lamb is really cute. 25 and 30% off. And the Kanawha Swung. All things I've had kind of recently. Nice lucite napkin holder. Not crazy about the colors, but they are different. 18 and 20% off is definitely a good price. But I'm gonna keep looking. Let's see what's in this case. They usually have really neat stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the Blendo salt and pepper shakers. I'm telling you, I think Blendo and Morgantown Glass are the two most underrated glass makers. Some cute little Napco ware figurines. Now here, I love this satin Burmese rose bowl, 59 and 20% off. Yep, it does look like Mount Washington. That's so pretty. But since I'm not 100% sure that it is Mount Washington, I'm gonna leave it there for that price. Some of the older Fenton looks kind of similar to me, honestly, although I'm sure if I picked it up, I'd be able to tell by the thickness. Love this smoothie, 185 on that. That is not Viking. I'm pretty sure that's Ellie Smith. So, what's going on back here? No, that's porcelain. I thought it was custard glass. Oh my gosh, the duck hamper. That's so great. There's a great little left-in sugar bowl with the cat. 48 and 20%. Again, probably about what I'd get out of that after fees. And then down here, I love the quilted optic jar. This is one of my favorite kitchen things, the Hazel Atlas in pink. I actually have those dishes in my kitchen. I never use them though, I never eat at my house. The snowmen are so cute. Made in Japan. That's a pretty jar. It says Empoli. Definitely Italian. I would have guessed Enesco. Some cloisonne. Now, I know bells aren't very popular, but this Fenton one in black is absolutely gorgeous. And then here's the uranium one, custard glass. What is this? Westmoreland glass fairy lamp with the cards on it. That's kind of different. What is that? Mauve pink flower sculpture. Good grief, that's cool. Talk about 80s revival. Oh, wow, look. The Arnart red polka dot bow tie. So cute. 75 is definitely where that needs to be. Can't do anything with it, but really great find. A couple elephants. I like the Little Joseph Originals one. Or it's Norcrest, huh? That's cute. $12.50 on that. And then this little, what is he, Swedish? Made in Spain, huh? All right, we're getting into Fenton territory. Insanely stocked case here. The rose crest, so pretty. And you know I love the Burmese. Some alley cats back there too. And some amazing Holt Howard. All kind of where it needs to be. The letter holder's fun. Look at this Snappy the snail. And what is the alien flying saucer salt and pepper shakers? Valona Star, made in California. I've never seen that before. Oh my gosh, look. It's been so long since I've seen anything Miss Cutie Pie. That's a pretty wild Stevens and Williams set. Oh, it's priced out individually. I was going to say, yeah, that's a nice set. Hard to find them with the application still intact like that. I really like that little Glass Eye Studio paperweight. I love the dichroic in it. 47 and 20% off is probably about what I get out of that after fees, though. An amazing little set of antique Venetian swans there. Those don't sell well for me, but really nice. Now, these are cool. Now, there's two of them. I'm going to go down on here so it's easier to see. Look at the German. I've never seen it in the ornament. That's so cool. What are they called? Like wash boshins or something. Some face pottery jug here. Not sure I want to mess with this too much. $88. It's really fun. I love those. The frog lamp. I can't believe the frog lamp's still here. I feel like someone needs to rescue it. And another really nice rose bowl. Large size. That looks like Bakelite. I like the snowman squeaky too. 40 on that as is. Oh my gosh. Look at this jar. That looks like Empoli. Opalescent too. $2.25. Yeah, the opalescent Empoli is not easy to find. That's insane. I have a pink opalescent Empoli perfume bottle actually. Now this is an awesome Fenton Rose Bowl, 55 with the 20% off. Yeah, they have some really unique stuff back here. Carnival glass. That's pretty. The optic. Although I have to say, this is more my speed. Look at this. That's amazing. $98. I bet that's uranium too. 20% off. God, that's so pretty it is. God, killing me. Now this looks like Cambridge Helio glass. That's so cool. I love the color on that. Yeah, that's fun. Not as exciting as those pieces for sure. Like I said, I've been getting more and more into the antique stuff. Looks like they have a little more, another pocket of some older stuff in here. The ashtrays need at 30. The perfume bottle has a small nick, and I don't think that's gonna be uranium. It's not. But I'm actually focused on the little Bakelite Scotty Dog. The World's Fair one is the neatest for sure. That one's at 58 though. And here's a Fenton custard with Frit. That's so pretty. 69, 15% off. That's a pretty good deal for a collector. Nice handkerchief face. This booth is so fun and colorful. Another lucite napkin ring. I mean, napkin holder, not napkin ring. 42 on that. The rhinestone butterfly glasses are fun. Saks Fifth Avenue. Yeah, they always have such happy stuff back here. Look at this painting. Jan McPherson. I really like the shape of this porcelain piece. Looks like it might be Noritake. Japanese for sure. It's $60, so even with 25% off. Here's a lucite napkin holder that has my attention. The pineapple, 26 and 20% off for a collector. That's a steal. A little close for me. And then back here, jadeite mug, 25 on that. Oh my gosh, look at the little Santa. He's fantastic. But it's actually this bisque doll with larger size. You don't usually see them in that size. 36. Oh, and she's repaired. Just kidding on that. The Humpty Dumpty ornament is fun. Same with the pink spaghetti. I mean, it's just sugar coated. So cute. But it's these Blinko glasses I like so much. Set of 4 for 85. That's a good deal. And that, wait a minute, jar of Bakelite, $98. There's some really neat pieces in there. And 20% off. I see a Scotty Dog. I kind of want to get in there. I don't know if I could do anything that would make it worth my return, though. Some fun squeaks, but this one definitely stands out. I've never seen this before. It looks like Dreamland. It is $25 and 25% off. That, I'm pretty sure, is super special. Dreamland is one of the more pricier makers, and rule of thumb is if you ever see a Dreamland rubber that's in good condition that you've never seen for a good price, you're supposed to pick it up. Now, like I said, the price of kitsch has been down a little bit, but this is pretty special. Now, I've pulled out some neat little things from this booth too. What's the discount in here? 20%. Pretty, but nothing that's screaming for my attention. Why is this Jack in the Pulpit so cheap? I'm not sure. That seems really cheap. And I love this vintage yellow party dress. So sweet. I'm not up to date on a lot of my ceramic art studio stuff, but this is freaking cool. The Space Bowl. And look at those decanters. How cool. Love the ombre on them. I really like those little art glass salt and pepper shakers. Those are neat. Well, there we go. Check out that Vandermark. That's gorgeous. Perfume bottle. $125 and 20% off. A little close for resale, but nice piece for a collector. Oh my gosh, look at the cat decanter. German cat decanter. 85, 20% off. Well, I can't do anything with that for resale again, but my gosh, that's neat. Oh, and look, they have some beaded checkerboard earrings. I can't wear earrings, but really nice micro mosaic set too back there, 45. Now that paperweight, that's beautiful. That's at 45 and 25% off. So like, what, $35? Looks like Terry Kreider. I can't really make it out. I might take that out of there. I found some really neat stuff in this case. It's kind of packed in, so you have to pay attention. Some gems hidden in here, though. Some Murano animals, or Venetian, I should say. It's a good one. Can't tell what kind of animal that is. It just says animal. It's like a dog or something. But up here, this is what really catches my eye. This little Fenton Ivy vase. $20 and 25% off. Well, that's coming with me for sure. That's my favorite color of Fenton, and it's not easy to find it. Another really pretty Fenton piece. That one's at 100. Yeah, this is the same vendor. Look at that dog. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. $40. I think that might have some. No, it doesn't have uranium in it. That's so great. I've had a couple animals like that recently that have done really well. Now here, I really like this little vase. That's sweet. Limoges. It's really cute. Now in here, I've looked at this thing 100 times. I think it's so neat. The blue pulled feather vase. And that looks like Alice in Wonderland. Speaking of Murano, check out this crazy freaking Venetian apple. God, that probably weighs 1,000 pounds. That's a nice one. Well, I ended up getting that awesome little Fenton vase. I'm gonna head down the road and I will see you guys there.